Every year, on the 1st of December, the world commemorates World AIDS Day. People around the world unite to show support for people living with and affected by HIV, and to remember those who lost their lives to AIDS. World AIDS Day, annual observance aimed at raising awareness of the global epidemic of AIDS, and today we are going to have a quiz on the topic, World AIDS Day. Our first question is, when is the World AIDS Day observed every year? Option A December 1st, Option B December 5th, Option C December 10th, Option D December 15th. Right answer is Option A December 1st. As we all know, World AIDS Day was first conceived in August 1987 by James W. Bunn and Thomas Netter, two public information officers, for the Global Program on AIDS at the WHO. Bunn and Netter took their idea to Dr. Jonathan Munn, director of the Global Program on AIDS. He liked the concept, approved it, and agreed with the recommendation that the first observance of World AIDS Day should be on the 1st of December 1988. Bunn had recommended the date of the 1st of December, that believing it would maximize coverage of World AIDS Day by Western news media, sufficiently long following the US elections, but before the Christmas holidays. Second question is, what is the theme of the 2021 World AIDS Day award? Option A, on the fast track to end AIDS. Option B, end inequalities, end AIDS. Option C, know your status. Option D, my health, my right. Right answer is Option B, end inequalities, end AIDS. This World AIDS Day is highlighting the urgent need to end the inequalities that drive AIDS and other pandemics around the world. Without bold action against inequalities, the world risks missing the targets to end AIDS by 2030, as well as a prolonged COVID-19 pandemic and a spiraling social and economic crisis. Economic, social, cultural and legal inequalities must be ended as a matter of urgency if we are to end AIDS by 2030. Next, in which year National AIDS Control Organization (NACO) was established? Options: A 1992, B 1993, C 1994, D 1995. Right answer is Option A 1992. National AIDS Control Organization is a division of India's Ministry of Health and Family Welfare that provides leadership to AIDS control program in India. Next question, when was first AIDS Day observed? Option A 1985, Option B 1966, Option C 1988, Option D 1998. Right answer, Option C 1988. HIV is a dash. Option A lentivirus, Option B capripox virus, Option C gallivirus, Option D papillomavirus. Right answer is Option A lentivirus. HIV is thought to have originated from dash. Option A birds, Option B mosquitoes, Option C chimpanzees, Option D none of the above. Right answer is Option C chimpanzees. HIV infection in humans came from a type of chimpanzee in Central Africa. The chimpanzee version of the virus, called simian immunodeficiency virus, or SIV, was probably passed to humans when humans hunted these chimpanzees for meat and came in contact with their infected blood. Where is the headquarters of the National AIDS Control Organization (NACO) located? Option A Mumbai, Option B Delhi, Option C Hyderabad, Option D Kolkata. Right answer is Option B Delhi. AIDS was first reported in dash. Option A Russia, option B France, option C Germany, option D USA. The first cases of what would later become known as AIDS were reported in the United States, US in June of 1981. Right answer is option D, USA. HIV attacks a certain kind of cell in the immune system. Which is it? Options A red blood cells, B white blood cells called T cells, C platelets, D epithelial cells. Right answer is option B white blood cells called T cells. Now we can discuss how HIV attacks our body. HIV finds the white blood cells, called CD4 cells. HIV gets inside the CD4 cell and makes copies of itself. Then, HIV kills the CD4 cell and the new HIV copies find other CD4 cells to get inside and start the cycle again. HIV kills immune system cells that help the body to fight infections and diseases. Which international agency has adopted a political declaration to end AIDS by the year 2030? Option A UN General Assembly. Option B IMF. Option C WHO. Option D UNICEF. Right answer is option A UN General Assembly. The General Assembly of the United Nations has called for an immediate action to end AIDS from the world by the year 2030. The Assembly had passed an approval in this regard, and has noted the present condition of AIDS with an alarm. The declaration was adopted with 165 votes in favor, and 4 against. What is worn on World AIDS Day to show support to people living with HIV? Option A a pink ribbon, option B a yellow ribbon, option C a blue ribbon, option D a red ribbon. Right answer is option A red ribbon. The red ribbon is the universal symbol of awareness and support for people living with HIV. Wearing a ribbon is a great way to raise awareness on and during the run-up to World AIDS Day. What does HIV stand for? Option A heavily infectious virus, option B human immunodeficiency virus, option C harmful infectious verruca, option D human immunity virus. Right answer is option B human immunodeficiency virus. India has pledged to end the HIV/AIDS pandemic by which year? Option A 2022, option B 2025, option C 2030, option D 2035. Right answer is option C 2030. For the very first time, the vaccination against HIV was synthesized and was administered in humans in dash. Option A 2010. Option B 2008. Option C 2001. Option D 1998. Right answer is option C 2001. When HIV invades in an individual, it destroys its dash. Option A nervous system, option B digestive system, option C circulatory system, option D immune system. Right answer is option D immune system. Which of the following bodily fluids can HIV get transmitted? Option A blood, option B semen, option C breast milk, option D all of the above. Right answer is option D all of the above. Name the therapy used to control the spread of the HIV virus. Option A antiretroviral therapy, option B photodynamic therapy, option C bone marrow transplant, option D chemotherapy. Right answer is option A antiretroviral therapy. The treatment for HIV is called antiretroviral therapy, ART. ART involves taking a combination of HIV medicines called an HIV treatment regimen every day. ART is recommended for everyone who has HIV. Thank you for watching. Do comment your collection of AIDS Day related questions under this video. If you find this video informative, please subscribe our channel And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notification of our coming videos.